we want to solve the same questions we solve using the elimination method. Now we want to solve them using substitution method. For those of you that are just seeing me or meeting me in class, this is the 2025 UTME JAM Mathematics online class dedicated for those of you that will be writing JAM this year. So if you've not pressed the notification button or subscribe to follow me, do that now so that immediately we drop our videos, you'll be notified and you'll join the class and send your comments and questions in the comment section. First, we want to solve by substitution method. The question is, what is substitution? Substitution is like in a football match when somebody is removed and another person is brought to take the same role and responsibility for, in which that person is occupying in that football match. So in this case, we have two equations here. How am I going to use substitution method? Is by using one of the unknown, one of the variable, making it the sort of formula and substituting it in the other equation so that we can solve. Now let's look at equation, this particular question here, using substitution method. Substitution method. Okay, I have equation 1 and 2. Let me make x the sort of formula from equation 1. Okay, so from equation 1, I want to make my x the sort of formula. What is my equation 1? X plus 2y equals to 5. So let me make my x the sort of formula. So what do I say? X will be equals to 5. When plus 2y is coming to this side, it becomes minus 2y. It becomes my equation 3. So I will now say substitute for x in equation 2. What is my, anywhere I see x, rather than write x, I will write this value. Okay, I will substitute it. So substitute it into equation 2. So my x, what is equation 2? X plus 3y equals to 8. What is my x? My x now is now 5 minus 2y plus 3y equals to 8. Okay, this is plus x. When it's coming this way, it becomes minus x. So I have my minus 2y plus 3x equals to 8 minus 5. I have told you time with that number, anytime we see minus, it means we are owing. So minus 2y means I'm owing somebody 2y. Plus 3y means I have 3y. If I pay the person, I'll say we're having 1y remaining. So minus 2y plus 3y is 1y. 1y, which is written as ny, is equals to 8 minus 5. This means 3. Okay? Also, from equation 3, my x is equals to 5 minus 2y. So also, anywhere I see my y, I will substitute. So substitute for y in equation 3 to get x. So this is my equation 3, 5 minus 2y. What is my y now? My y is now 3. My y is now 3. So I will say 5 minus 2 into 3. So it will be 5 minus 2 times 3, 6. So 5 minus 6 will give me minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Answer. X equals to minus 1. Y equals to 3. Look at the second question. Follow me. We want to solve the same question using substitution method. Are you with me? I believe you are following me wherever you are. So the same way, I write my question now. 3x plus 2y equals to 7. And I have 4x plus 3y equals to 10. This is my question 1. This is my question 2. So using substitution method, I have to decide which one I want to make myself a formula. So from 1, I want to make x myself a formula. From equation 1, I have my 3x plus 2y equals to 7. I want to make my x the square of formula, right? So I will say 3x equals to 7. When this one is coming to this side, it becomes minus. So it might cost minus 2y. But that's not still my x. It's this 3x. So I will say divide both sides by coefficient of x. So I will have 3x divided by 3 equals to 7 minus 2y, everything divided by 3. So this cancels, my x is equal to 7 minus 2y all over 3. Becomes my equation 3. So I will substitute for y into equation 2. So substitute for y in equation 3 into equation 2. So anyway, means that anywhere I see y in equation 2, I will replace it with this expression, this particular expression here.